Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick video tutorial on how to create a QR code in Canva. So for that, go to canva.com and go to create design. Search for QR. You will be suggested an option that is QR code business card. Click on this. Now on the design part, you will be suggested many types of templates. Use any of them, like I'm going to use this one. Now you can edit the text and customize it according to your option. Now delete this QR code. Now you scroll this, you will be able to see an option that is QR code. Click on this option. Now there is an option that is URL. Put your desired URL that you want to people to be directed. So I'm going to select my channel link and putting it to the URL option. Now click on the generate QR code. You can see the QR code has been generated here. Now I'm going to adjust it. Now you can just go to the file and you can download. In this way, you can easily create any QR code with your customized link from Canva. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.